The scarlet-backed flowerpecker is a strikingly beautiful small bird, measuring about 10 centimeters in length. The male has a distinctive bright scarlet crown and back, looking just like wearing a red hat on its head. This is its most characteristic feature. This species is primarily found in Southeast Asia and southern China, often inhabiting dwarf forests. Highly active and energetic, it prefers foraging among flowering trees, feeding mainly on insects and fruit seeds. In 2016, it was listed on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species.